Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, August 27th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Euro Yen, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the monthly, I do think this is likely the end of a wave 3. If that's the case, then we are in a wave 4, and a wave 4 is potentially a very overlapping corrective pattern, probably taking it down to at least the 150 area, around the 50% Fibonacci retracement, before it actually goes up again to make a wave 5. Now, this wave 4, because we're on the monthly, potentially could take 8 months, 6 months, maybe even a year or more. So going down to the weekly time frame, I think this first moved out as a wave A. The question still is whether we're actually still in this wave A and it's going to go down again, or whether the wave A is over and that this is actually already back into the uptrend for a wave B. Well, not an uptrend, but a correction to the wave A, and then eventually back down again for a wave C. Definitely possible that we're already in a wave B. It just, for me, the wave A kind of seems a little short based on the time scale that I would expect this wave 4 to take. So going down to the daily time frame, I'm still looking at this as possibly an ABC correction, and my most recent structure level is right here. So if it goes up and breaks that structure, I would definitely turn into a buyer, and that probably would indicate that it's going to go up and make a big old wave B, like an ABC or B. But as long as it doesn't break that structure, I'm definitely still looking for sorts of time frames. I'm hoping that it's going to continue to make lower lows, lower highs, and this is actually a wave 5 of most likely of wave 5 of most likely wave A. So, anyways, let's take it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, I mean, the yen pairs have been extremely sideways for several weeks now, and it makes me even more confident that this whole move is actually still a correction to this move down right here, because this is not a trendy market. This is definitely a corrective looking market, which is why I'm still looking for shorts, and I still think it's more likely that it will keep on going down. So definitely still looking for shorts or time frames. Going down to the 1 hour time frame. Now, for me, I'm definitely still looking for shorts. If it goes up and breaks these structures right here, then I definitely will turn into a buyer. But for now, I am definitely looking for shorts on these time frames. This move up looks a little too impulsive to me. It looks almost like a trend. Kind of makes me think that it could only be a wave A. Now, it might just keep on trending down from here, and I kind of hope it does. But probably what's more likely to happen is it's probably likely to go down, make a wave B, and then back up again for a wave C before it actually does continue the downtrend, more of a proper looking ABC correction. Either way, as long as it doesn't break these structures up here, I'm definitely still looking for shorts on time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.